this is Tim from Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to get the settings button or icon on your home screen on your Android phone. So if it's missing or something like that, you do have the option to re-add this. So all you have to do is swipe up from the bottom, then locate it under here. It could be called just settings, so we can just search for it, and then we can just hold down on the app. And there is an option where we can just either add it to the home screen or we can just drag it to the home screen. So on Samsung, I think you have to tap it and it will say add to home screen. On other phones, you can just drag it wherever you want. So you can see I have it right there. So if it's missing from here for whatever reason, there's some things that we can try. First thing we should probably try is just simply restarting our phone and turn off our phone. And then the next thing we can do is just go on over to apps, go to see all, and go to settings under here. So we should be able to find it. So here it is, settings. We can force stop it and see if we can re-add it that way. Now there might be an option where it's disabled there, depending on your phone. You might have to re-enable it. So if we go back to settings, we can see that. So just go back to settings and see if you can re-enable the app under here. So here it is. So it might be under like storage and cache. So we can go to clear cache, clear storage. So you can delete the data and see if that works too. And just look to make sure it's not disabled. So if it is disabled, re-enable it. So we can go back to this one more time, and for some reason every time we leave that, it kicks this out. So you can see disabled right here. There might be an option to re-enable it for you. Now you can look through the other settings. Open by default, allow apps to. Okay, so this looks good. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.